These days teenagers are communicating via gadgets. On-screen connection makes face-to-face interactions more difficult. It's time for parents to teach how to connect and feel confident around people. Cope up with life challenges in a way that benefit kids and future, academic career, relationships and in dark days. Basic life etiquettes and social skills teenagers learn in their younger years remain embedded in their minds. "21 important social skills teenagers should learn." How to behave in new gathering. How to participate in healthy arguments. Understand my action affect others. Accept differences. How to tell someone no. How to stay in having conversation with unlike person. How to handle conflict with others. How to act at party. What to do when you are in danger. What should be your body language when talking someone. How to do grocery. How to handle peer pressure. How to act in bad situation. How to show interest in a topic. Good manners. Understand nonverbal body language. How to act around authority figure. Be able to understand feelings of peers. Show empathy. Patience. How to work as a team. Use of thank you and please. Thank you for watching. Mommies and Babies Ideas.